Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in Learning Library. In today's video, we will cover delete, drop and truncate command in SQL. So stay tuned and watch the full video for better understanding of these commands. First we will cover the delete command. Suppose we have one table. So let's start from employee info. I have this table, employee info. I have this table. For now, I do not have any record in this table, so I'll insert some record into this table. Insert into employee info values. I will give it as ID 1, name Kane, Williamson, okay. Williamson will be my email ID. I'll insert this record. Employee info. So one record is inserted. If I go back into my table and look for that record, so that record is inserted. I will insert one or two record more, and I'll give it as to Steve Smith. Yes, Smith will be my email ID. That record is inserted. I'll insert one more record. 3. Virat Kohli. This is for just example. So 3 records is inserted into my table. If I go back and look into my table, so I got those 3 records are inserted into my table. I can see those. Suppose I want to delete these records from my table. So if I want to delete entire record from my tables, like all the rows from my table, so I can do that by using delete command. So for that I can use syntax like delete from your table name. My table name is employee info. This is my table name. So if I run this command, so 3 rows are deleted. If I go back and look into my table, see those records are not present in my table. So this is how I can delete entire record from my table. But so this is how delete command is used to delete record from table. Delete from your table name. But there is one advantage with delete command. Like if I insert these records again, I'm inserting this record. If I go back and look into my table, all the 3 records are inserted. For now, if I want to delete any specific record, like where id equals to 1, so I want to insert only those records where id equals to 1, so I can do that by using delete command, like delete from table name employee info where id equals to 1. If I run this query, so this will only delete those records where id equals to 1. So for now I have just one record where id equals to 1. If I run this, see one record deleted. If I go back and look into my table, so that record got deleted. So this is how I can use the delete command to delete a record from my table. I can give multiple condition here where id equals to 1 and like id equals to 2 and or id equals to 3. If I run this command, so this will delete where id equals to 2 and id equals to 3, all those records that satisfying that condition. So if I go back and look into my table, those records are also inserted, deleted. So this is how I can use delete command to delete record from my table. For now I'll insert these records again. See, the records are inserted. So I hope you understand the delete command. Now we will cover the truncate command. Truncate. So truncate is basically used to delete or truncate all the table. It will just delete entire record from your table. So like in delete we can specify this condition, where condition, to delete specific record. In truncate we cannot use the condition like this to delete a specific record. So if you are using truncate command, then it will delete entire record from your table. So entire data will be get deleted from your table. So the syntax for the truncate is truncate table and your table name. My table name is employee info. If I run this query, so again my table is truncated. If I go back and look into my table is truncated. So the only difference is between delete and truncate is that in delete I can specify a specific condition where I can specific a record I can delete from using delete command, but in truncate I cannot specify any specific condition to delete a specific record from my table. I can only delete the entire record or the entire data from my table. So this is the difference between delete and truncate, and truncate is much faster than delete. This is one more difference. So truncate will work faster than delete. Now next we will cover the drop command. Drop is basically used to I'll insert this record first. Again if I look into my table is there, and all the records are there from my table. So if I use drop command, so drop is basically used to drop the entire structure, all the records will get deleted, as well as the structure of this table will get deleted. So if I use drop command, so just be careful before using any drop command or truncate command. There might be some important data stored in your table. So before truncating or dropping any table, you just have to make sure whatever the operations you are going to do that is required or really required, or then only you can use this operation. So drop will be used to drop all the table or any database object from your database. So for now I'll drop the table from my table database. So I have this table employees info. I'll write here as select start from employee info. I have this table in my database. Now I'm going to drop this table from my database. So drop employee info. Drop table employee info. So if I run this query, this will delete my all the record, as well as my table structure will get deleted. So table is dropped. Now if I go back and run this query to select start from employee info, I couldn't find that table. So table or view does not exist. So it is permanently deleting the table as well as data from your database. So just make sure before deleting or dropping anything from your database. So this table is permanently deleted from my database. So if I want this table again, so I have to create this table again, and then I have to insert the data into that table. So this is how we can use drop, truncate and delete command. So delete will delete the record from your database, as well as we can specify a specific condition to delete a specific record from your table. Drop will use to drop as well drop the delete structure as well as the data from your table. Then truncate will use truncate all the records from your table. We cannot specify any specific condition to delete a specific record from table. So this is the difference between delete, drop and truncate. So just practice on this. If you have any doubt, then you can put the doubt into the comments. I'll reply those, and please subscribe and like to this video. Thank you.